In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pictures on Roblox Studio. So once you are on your Roblox Studio as an example, and you're trying here to edit your game or to adjust your game, and then you want to add a picture so you can add it to your game. So how can you do that? Simply to do so is simply, of course, publish a game first. So if you didn't publish it, you'll not be able to do it. So how to do it, of course, you can simply just go and click on collaborator or collaborates and click on save to Roblox, give it a name, tester as an example, just say that, and then click on save. So once it's saved as an example, as you can see, so I'll just wait for it until it's saved. As you can see, I'll be saved now. So what I'll need to do now, if I go here to my workspace, as you can see, I'll be able to find a lot of stuff. I can go and click on the right click as an example. I'll be able to click on insert part. And here as an example, what I'll need to do. So now I'll be able to take my icon here to this part. I can click on this plus button. And as you can see, I'll find a lot of stuff here. So what I'll need to do is simply go and click on, where is it? The surface GUI. Just go and click then surface GUI, as you can see here, and the plus button. And here, as an example, you will need to go and click on image label. Once you do so, again, you will have to go then, let me just go and show you again, plus button. And here you'll be able to add, and just make this better for you. Just try to make this a little better. So if you go here, an example, you can scroll down here and look for image, as you can see. And here you are, you find the image. You can go here and click it, then click on add image, and simply you can click on choose file and simply add the image that you want. Let's say, an example, I don't know, let's just add this image, and as you can see, it will be added. I can just go here and click on create, and the image will be added. And as you can see here, if we, oh, I zoom too much. So if you can see here, as you can see, the image is added, and I'll just have to put it wherever I want. Now, as example, let me just go here, scale it as an example. Okay, just go and make it here a little bigger, like this. And here we are. We have our image, of course, added to this or to Roblox Studio. Of course, now I can go and resize the image however I want. I can go back here, as example, and I'll be able to resize it. An example, I can go just to my image here and look for position, rotation, size example. You'll be able to do all this stuff that you want with size, position, rotation, totally up to you to do so. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.